Hello, I am Tara.
And I'm Jill.
And we are on tip number 8 today in our series on how to get organized. And these tips are in our How to Organize and Clean ebook series. I did it!
You did it. You got it out there.
I got it out there. And it's in the description below. Also, our Dining on a Dime cookbook has a ton of cleaning recipes and tips on how to clean. That is in the description below. Also, number 8. Use your time wisely.
Wise steward.
Get off the phone.
Yeah.
Get off of Facebook.
You know,
don't get off of YouTube on Living on a Dime. You can stay on that.
Yeah,
one.
yeah, of course. But you know, that's a good point though. Even if you're watching YouTube stuff, videos and stuff, you think, well, I'm just going to set that up and watch while I'm washing the dishes or doing this. You don't realize you cut your time of getting this thing done in about half.
Okay, we have a lot of people who watch us while they're cleaning.
I know we do. But you know what? If you've got the time to do it and you're keeping on top of stuff, then go for it. Then you can do it. I mean, really, you can. But don't be on the phone. Don't just sit wasting time being on the phone all the time or on the computer, doing stuff. And get rid of that trivial fluff stuff or talking to the neighbor constantly or social media. Don't spend hours on Facebook and Pinterest when you need to clean your house. Just, don't do that.
You don't need to send 10 Snapchats in an hour.
No.
You really don't.
No, you really
or
you
Instagram
don't.
posts.
Yeah. Now, we touched on some of these. It's like, don't clean anything unless on saving time, being wise use of your time. Don't clean something that doesn't need to be cleaned, of course. Yeah. Just because you usually do it on Monday, if it's not dirty, don't clean it that Monday.
But if you do see something that needs to be cleaned right away, do it right away. If somebody spills something on the counter, don't just leave it there to get hard and you can't get it off. If you do need to get it off, put a wet wash rag on it and let it soak, and that's it. And then move on to something else and let it soak. But if you clean it up in the first place right away,
it's almost a guarantee. Anything you procrastinate or you leave will be twice as long to clean up when you get around to it. So, you need to be careful with your time on that. Let's see.
No.
Yeah, we both saw this at the same time.
Oh, no. Stop volunteering for everything and get home and clean your house.
Yeah. Get rid of the activities, the crafts, the hobbies, the kids' activities, church activities. I mean, we believe in doing church stuff, but if you're doing that at the expense of a clean home, you're doing too much of it. School activities, we saw a gal, if I understood her right on these videos, she had 2 kids under the age of 5, I think. They were younger. She said they weren't even in school yet. So whatever their age were, they were not in school. But these kids, they already had them scheduled for 2 days of soccer a week.
Oh, yeah. They were like 6 years old.
Well, she said they weren't in school yet.
Yeah, but they weren't. Yeah, but the one was 6. But still, 6 is ridiculous.
To have scheduled 2 days a week that she has to take dinner in the car. She said she had planned menus to take dinner in the car with her for those 2 days to take them to soccer. That's too much. Yeah. I'm sorry, that is too much. You have got to get your priorities straight, and you need to get them started early and, do something different. Yeah. And it's a good excuse not to do. You want to do the fun stuff, not the cleaning.
Stop
responsible.
the excuse, my kids are only home for a little while.
I know.
And I need to spend time with them.
Doing stuff like going on picnics and crafts and things.
Spend time with them, teaching them how to clean the house.
How to be responsible in their life.
Do the chores with them. We have family cleaning time twice a week. The whole family gets together and we do the cleaning, the vacuuming, the toilets. Everybody does everything together. We're still bonding.
Yeah, you are. And you know what? We get more emails of these parents of adult children saying, well, I don't know why he or she doesn't do any chores.
You don't expect it of them.
No, you've never expected of them. All they want to do is have fun and goof off. Well, what did you do all the time? You never taught them, to do that.
So stop making excuses. This kind of goes back to the number one thing we were talking about. But still, stop making excuses that your kids are little and you got to spend time with them and they need to be well-rounded and all this other stuff. American kids are way well-rounded anyway with all the sweets and everything. And just get out there and clean your house with them. Seriously.
Yeah.
So, all right. Description below, Dining on a Dime Cookbook, which has a bunch of cleaning tips and cleaning recipes, and our How to Organize and Clean Your House ebook series is also in the description below. And visit us at livingonadime.com, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.